a 7-day challenge. Are you ready? In today's video, I'm going to give you a 7 days challenge. Gum, 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 gum. Okay, so don't be afraid. It's just one small task a day. And if you do it, you're going to notice improvement with your voice. Like you must improve. And I want you to come back next week on this particular video and tell me how this video and this task that I gave you, this challenge I gave you, helped you to be better. My name is Graciedion, and I am the lead voice coach at Graciedion Music Institute, where we help passionate singers. If you know you're passionate about singing, we help you to sing better. So if this is you, my dear, stay intact because Graciedion is known to be the best at what they do. Okay? So let's get started. The first task, that is your day one challenge. Gun, 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 gun. Task one. I want you to begin to become aware of your breath. I just want you to notice 3 times a day. You check whether you are breathing low into your belly or high into your chest when you sing. I don't want exercises. I just want you to be aware. Notice anytime you want to sing, check. Am I breathing here from here within? Am I pulling? Am I activating? Am I pulling the sound from inside? Or is it just from here, high up here? Am I doing, I just want to say, or am I doing, I just want to say? Which one am I doing? Just pay attention to it. So that's all you need to do in day one. Okay? Tell me what happens. Gang, 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 gang. Day two. Today, in day two, you are going to try out the exercises in day 8 of this 30 days challenge that we've been doing. I'm going to try out the challenge there. I'm going to try out the exercise there, especially the lip tree exercise, whereby you will do. Try that exercise, okay? Just do it and do the different exercises that were stated in that lesson and tell me how it went. Gang, 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 gang. Day 3. Now, your task for day 3 is that you are going to check your resonance. Do you remember in day 9 where we talked about your nasal singing? So I want you to sing and pinch your nose and listen if it changes. You are the pillar that holds. See, mine did not change. But if you pinch yours and it changes, then you are still sounding nasal. So watch that video in day 9 and correct it. Okay? So that's your task for day 3. Now, day 4, we are now going to check our compression. And you're going to do the drills that were shared to you in day 11, whereby I taught you different exercises that can help you to correct your compression problem, to make your sound no longer weak. I gave you an example of so do those exercises and then practice with your song briefly. Gang, 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 gang. Day 5. So in day 5, you're going to focus on the exercise given to you in day 12. You're going to do for 10 seconds a sustained note. I will remember that in that day 12, I taught you how to hold a note steady. So it's just on a straight line. So just try. You are not you are no you are That is all I want you to do for day 5. Okay? Gang, 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 gang. Day 6. Now, you're going to sing just one phrase. I want you to get a phrase from a song. For example, Amazing Grace. Now, you're going to try it with dark tone, and then you will try it again with bright tone. Remember, that was a topic taught in day 13. So you can watch back day 13 and be sure that you understand what I mean by dark and bright tone, and then try it in the song. Amazing grace. That's bright. Ah, dark. Amazing grace. How sweet. You see that? So just try out that. That is all for day 6. Gang, 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 gang. Day 7. Now, this task, you're going to take everything you have been trying from day 1 to now, and you apply it to one phrase of a real song and try and sing it. Just the way we did it in day 15, where I taught you how to make a song, sing a simple song, you turn it into a great song. So try that in day 7. And that's your 7-day mini singing challenge. So when you get to day 7, I want you to comment and tell me that you've been following through and you've done everything I said, and tell me if you noticed an improvement. There's no way you will not notice improvement except you did not follow through. Okay, just comment and tell me that you did so. All right, if you want to learn more about your voice and to get your voice better, then you need to watch this next video.